Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing another Anti-Valentine's Day tutorial. I'm not sure if it's going to be another one or if it's just going to be this one or if my other one will come up after this. But I did one and then it turned out that it was like not dark enough. It was more like Valentine's Day, even though I was intending it to be Anti-Valentine's Day. So it's like I gotta do darker. It's gotta be darker. So I came up with this look today and I'm going to walk you through. The only thing that I don't walk you through is my brows because I'm doing my brows just like I always do, except for I'm filling them in with a black gel liner. Like there's nothing special about them. I just filled them in with black gel liner and then cut them out, and then you'll see I add glitter in them, which I do show on camera because that's the only thing that's different from the usual. So if you guys are interested in how I created this look, or if you just want to watch and see, then keep on watching and I hope you guys enjoy. We're going to start off with the Kristen Lee and Urban Decay collaboration. I'm using the shade Lucy, I almost said Lacy, and I'm just going to put this all over my eyes. And this is just going to make a really nice base, make everything blend better. I just like it. And then I'm going to go in with Daydream, and I'm going to go ahead and buff this into my crease just to give my eyes some nice dimension. And I'm going to build that up quite a bit because we're going to be doing a dark look today. And then I'm just going to be taking the little fluffy end from the brush that came with the Daydream palette and the Kaleidoscope palette, and I'm going to be taking 13th Floor and starting to pack this in on the outer corner of my eye. So the trick with black shadows is that you really have to be light-handed with them, and you're going to have to go back and do layer after layer. I'm not going to show all the layers, I'm just going to show the general placement. Just know that I go back and I pack on like lots and lots of color. And I was really impressed, and I think you'll see this in a little bit, but there was like no fallout with this, which is pretty much unheard of for black shadows. It was kind of insane. I think we're getting to the point where I'm looking at my face and I'm like, holy crap. See? Look at that. Like there's nothing. So I have it on the inner and outer corner, and then I just connect it over the top. And then I'm going to be taking my Shape Tape in the shade Fair and a little flat, I think this is a concealer brush. And I'm just going to be doing a spotlight cut crease. If you don't know what that is, you can just see what I'm doing in this video, and that's pretty much what it is. It's just cutting out the center of your eye, and that's it. And I'm going to go ahead and do that to both eyes, and then we're going to go in with this shade here from the Morphe 3502 palette. I love this palette. Only thing I wish was different was that they actually labeled the shades. I'm going to pack that red shimmer shade all over my lid, and then going in with a fine detailing brush, I'm going to get it as close to that cut crease as I possibly can. So then I'm just going to go back in with that small fluffy brush from the Daydream palette and just blend out all of the edges. I go back in with a little bit more black on there and just blend it all and make it look nice. Then I'm going to be using the NYX glitter liner in Silver Crystal or Crystal Silver. And I'm just going to use this as a little nice like glitter line over where the cut crease starts. I just wanted this to be like a really soft, like subtle accent, and I think it turned out so beautiful and I love it. I was almost tempted to do glitter, and then I was just like, I'm just going to add this little bit of accent. And now I'm just cleaning out underneath my eyes, getting rid of any fallout, and taking the Sleek Solstice palette. It's so dirty. And that shade, and then putting it on the inner corner and under my brows, and I love this. Look at it. It's so pretty. It is so pretty. I can't get over this palette. And then after that, I'm going to go in with another glitter liner in Crystal Onyx, and I'm going to go ahead and take this and just put it in my brows. It's kind of going to act like a brow gel since I didn't use one when I did my brows, but I just want this on the inner corner of my eyes just for like a little something extra, you know, like because I'm super extra. See? And then I'm going to take my Becca Illuminator in Pearl, and I'm going to go ahead and highlight all over my face. I would put this all over my body if that was socially acceptable. But I do the tops of my cheekbones, my forehead, like my temples, my cupid's bow, and my nose. then I'm just going to take this small smudger brush from Kat Von D and that black shade from the Kaleidoscope palette, and I'm just going to smudge this like pretty messily underneath my lower lash line. And then I didn't show it, but I'm going to take the Urban Decay All Nighter eyeliner. That's the brand. I'm sorry I forgot to show it. And I'm just going to go ahead and put this all over my lower waterline and then tight line the tops of my eyes. And it's going to jump right into my finished look because I totally forgot to film, but the lipstick that I'm wearing at the end is Poinsettia or Poinsettia by Jeffree Star. It's from his Christmas collection. So this is the finished look that we came up with, and I'm digging it. It's really dark and like fun though. I'm wearing my Stranger Things shirt. I love this show so much. So I wanted to do something that was a lot darker because I was told from my last tutorial that it wasn't quite dark enough for Anti-Valentine's Day. So I was like, okay, you want dark, I'll give you dark. So I did a black smoky halo eye with a red center, and then I added these silver sparkles, and I think it's really pretty. I like it a lot. Yeah. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed this video, if you want to see more videos like this in the future, or if you have any ideas of what type of videos you would like to see next, leave a comment down below. Give this video a big ol' thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe up at the top there before you go. Alright, I'll see you later, babes.